Hey gang, so today is July 5th and it is 9:18 a.m. in the morning. So this is 2021. So yesterday was the 4th. So I basically did about a 23-hour fast. On the 4th, I ate about one and went up to my aunt's place here in Wisconsin, So they have a cabin. So anyway, I had... what did I have? So they had like a snack. They had like some salmon. They had some sausage, and then they had some crackers. So I had some crackers, which are gluten, high glycemic index. And then we ate about 4 o'clock. So I overate there, and then they had a fish fry. So I had fish fry, gluten-free breading. I didn't have anything to drink, no alcohol yesterday. I rarely drink to start with. And then my daughter made a dessert and her friend, so I had to have some dessert. So I had some dessert on the 4th. So I'm just being in full transparency of what I did, what I'm doing. Yesterday also I had black coffee, and then I had my IV drip, which I love my new recipe on my IV drip. So this morning, I get up and I have black coffee, and then I just did my Stairmaster here at home for 25 minutes. And in here, Minnesota, it's hot right now. It's humid. We have central air, but it's still humid. So I got a great workout. I love the sweat. It just makes me feel a lot better. So I'm going to do my morning glucose. So, it's sitting at 0. So let me prick my finger right here and we'll see what it's reading. Didn't get enough blood. There we go. Oh, okay. So we'll see what we're at this morning here. So last time I ate was probably about 6 o'clock. So who is at 118? So what does that mean? So a couple things could be happening there. Is after exercise, you produce cortisol, right? So I just exercise. So one thing that cortisol does is that spits out from your adrenal glands and it increases your glucose demand. So that possibly could be why is that I exercised and I have a bunch of glucose floating around due to cortisol. But 118, I haven't seen 118 in quite some time. So, one thing with the meter, it keeps you honest, right? I mean, there it is, 118. I don't like that number. So what I'll do today is I'm going to do a 24-hour fast. That's going to be like more of my routine is a 24-hour fast now. I'll check it again later today a few times, and I'll do that video too, just to keep you up to date. So you know what's going on. So I'm a human being. You know what? I'm not perfect. I've never claimed to be perfect. And, we all fall off the horse. But one thing I do know is I'm committed to my health. I'm committed to your health. I'm committed to human suffering. So anytime you fall off the horse, just realize that you have knowledge. You can get back on the horse, and you can have a fresh day, right? You can have a fresh day is today, just like I've been divorced, right? And I'm married, and I have a great marriage now. And, I started fresh and new, and at the end of the day, I'm way, way happier. So it's just all about starting fresh, having the knowledge and moving forward. You can do what you need to do. So with that being said, take care. Bye-bye.